Hey guys, welcome to another WordPress tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way you can optimize all your WordPress website images. This is important because if we don't optimize our images, we are going to have issues with speed and also with SEO, most specifically because of the Google Core Web Vitals requirement, in specific, the large content footprint area requirement. So it's very important we optimize our WordPress website images. To do this, we are going to be using a plugin called Optimal. So let's install the plugin. We'll go to Plugins. You'll log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Plugins, click on Add New. So let's search for the plugin. It's Optimal. Can you see the name of the plugin? Yeah, Optimal. Can you see it? Yeah, click on Install now. Click on Activate. All right, all you have to do is to enter your email. And for me, I'm going to be using tech@paultutorial, or let me just use admin, paultutorial.com. Click on create and connect your account. So let's do that. So let's just wait for it to complete the process. So that's it. We've started optimizing our website images. What this plugin does is it connects the website to the Optimal Cloud service, which will deal with all the optimization. So this makes it easy to optimize the website pictures, and it doesn't take any toll on the website speed. So you can go to settings. You can change some settings here. You can enable image replacement. You can scale and add lazy load, which is amazing. And you can clear the cached images. So you can go to advanced. Personally, I think the default options are cool. They're okay. You can enable the GIF to video conversion. So you can change this. So to change all the GIF to video, you can tap CSS and JS through Optimal. This is also going to help improve the speed. But if you already have any WordPress caching plugin, you don't have to do this. So you can resize, you can select and enable smart cropping. You can enable retina images. So you can deliver retina ready images to your website visitors. I can enable this. So this is just going to, for example, people that are using 4K display screen, this is going to give them a high quality picture. And you can add a new crop image size if you want. So once you're done, don't forget to save changes. So it's saved our changes. So we'll go to lazy load. So here you can change the lazy load settings. As I've said earlier, the default settings are perfect for what you need. You don't have to, if you don't really understand some of the settings, you don't have to touch it. The default settings is perfect. So it's going to help increase your website speed and also take care of the large content footprint area. So if you want to do more optimization, you can use the WP Rocket to tackle all the core Web Vitals requirements. I will do a video tutorial on that in the nearest future. So watch out for that video. So that's how to optimize all your website, WordPress website images. I hope this video was helpful. You can hit the like button for more videos like this and subscribe. Thanks for watching.